Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new Bitcoin video and, well, crypto update as well. As most of you know, if you just want a general overview in the morning of what to expect from the crypto markets, you should know what Bitcoin is doing. So that's what we'll be talking about. So it's also handy for that. And there's a lot to talk about. All right, so let's get right into it. First of all, and I've been teasering this and I've been talking about this for the entire week, basically, since the weekend already. Today we have some big news, all right? At 2:30 UTC plus 2, we have initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims, so employment data, and the GDP growth rate and the GDP price index, where the GDP growth rate is most important. Now, because the Federal Reserve cut the interest rates by 50 base points last week, what's going to be crucial, in my eyes, is that we will see that we're not going into a recession. All right. So in general, or at least that's how I view it. In general, what we're aiming for is that we will get higher continuing and initial jobless claims, but that they're not much higher than expected. Right. We want them to be higher because we want to have some economic slowdown, so the interest rates can come down a little bit more, or quite a bit more. But we want the GDP growth rate to continue to be bullish, all right? It's estimated to be 3%. If that's 3%, a little bit lower or a little bit higher, that should be bullish. So keep your eyes on that, all right? And an easy way to do this, if you don't want to keep your eyes on these economic events and if you don't want to interpret them, which I'll do for you as well later today, but I'll always be a little bit late. What you can do as well is just keep an eye on the dollar strength index, all right? Dollar strength index yesterday actually rebounded quite a bit. If this is bearish, that's bullish for crypto. If this is bullish, that's bearish for crypto. All right. Now, overall, the situation for Bitcoin right now is actually pretty good. Now, yesterday, I was slightly bearish, and we also got some bearish momentum. So I think that was the best way to go about the markets. And hopefully you were prepared for that as well. But in the end, if you look at the general circumstances now, I mean, the S&P 500 is still trending up, even though the dollar strength index bounced up a bit. And the Bitcoin dominance here is actually quite bearish. So what that means is that the general market is still bullish, and there will be altcoins, like for example, right now meme coins are doing quite well. There will be altcoins that will rally, right? So overall, I'm still bullish, and I would even go as far as saying, because overnight we had quite the open interest reset, which you can see right here. Open interest has dropped down quite a bit again. I would almost go as far as saying that I think it's most likely that we will have that move into 65,000 again. So yesterday I was quite bearish. I think that was the right move to be slightly bearish. Now I'm slightly bullish again because of the general fundamental and macroeconomic circumstances and also a little bit of the open interest. Now, the news today, like I said, that's going to be quite crucial. Keep an eye on that, all right? That can affect how I feel about the markets. And in general, if you just want my neutral opinion, like I am trading altcoins. Like I said, meme coins right now are quite strong. I am trading those at the moment. But if you really want to have a general direction for the market, wait for either 64,000 to break or this trend line to break, which is a little bit of a strange trend line, but if we break above 64,000, I think that's confirmation that we are going to be bullish, at least on the short term. If we break below 63,000, I think that's going to be confirmation that we can pull back lower into 62, and worst case scenario for now, also 60,500. And that's what I think you need to know. Now, like I said, I'll be back later today with a new update on the economic data and what it means, and just in general what's going on in the markets. This is what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.